there! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export PNGs from Figma. This is perfect for web graphics, logos, and things that need a transparent background. So let's get started. So I have a Figma file open, and I actually want to export this logo file as a transparent background PNG file. And I'm going to select the logo only, not the frame that it's sitting in. So to export this logo, go to the right-hand toolbar and scroll all the way to the bottom to export. Click the plus button, and this will add an export setting here below. You have multiple export file types here. We are going to use PNG, so you can leave it there. On the left here, this controls the resolution. So if you want the resolution to be a little bit higher, which I do, I want to make sure this is very crisp and clear on my website. So I'm going to export it at 2x instead of 1x, but you have multiple size options here. Now let's click export. At this point, I can rename my file. So I'm going to do that. And now let's navigate to this file on my Finder. I'm just going to take a look at it. And this looks correct. It has the transparent background, and I can tell that because this book is filled with white and the background doesn't have a color. And another quick tip, if you wanted to export multiple PNGs from the same document, you would just hold down Shift and select all the frames or the layers that you want to export, and you can export them all at once, doing the same process we did a second ago. So that's how you export PNGs from Figma. I've linked my Figma playlist below if you want more helpful how-to tips and time-saving tricks for Figma. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe to CryeStudio for more Figma and graphic design tutorials. Thanks so much.